Good morning. My name is Ben Furnish with TOYO Robotics in the Americas. Happy to highlight to you today our GLT series products. They are a series of low-profile integrated bearing designs. So you'll see inside the extrusion itself, we've got steel inserts and the integrated bearings recirculating within the carriage, which allows us to have a very small overall compact height. We come in a number of frame sizes from a 30 millimeter wide to 120 millimeter wide product. We offer both belt and screw-driven solutions with a nice strip seal cover on top. And you can see from our performance specifications, these are very cost-effective solutions for many applications in your industrial automation portfolio. Along with our GLT series, we're also highlighting here our CPG series. These are pneumatic type replacement products where you've got a screw and stepper or servo motor attached to them. We've got integrated bearings with these as well, so you're getting much higher payload capacities than you would with something without that robust linear bearing inside. And some of these products also have the option for integrated drive and controls. So you've got a single cable running to your cylinder solution and have complete motion control.